Hey everyone, have you ever taken a vertical video and realized, oh, I should have made it horizontal? And that could be for a number of reasons. As you may know, if you upload a vertical video to YouTube, if it's under 3 minutes, YouTube is automatically going to make it a YouTube short, which limits you in some ways because you can't put a hyperlink in the description, amongst other things. Also, on some platforms, a horizontal video just looks better than a vertical video. So for whatever reason it is, I'm going to show you how to turn a vertical video into a horizontal video using the Video Leap app. So basically, I'm going to show you how to turn a video like this into a video like this. I think this looks so much better than the black background. You have a reflection, you have a blur in the background, and it all kind of blends in and is easier on the eyes. So when you open your Video Leap app, you're going to hit the plus sign to start a new project, select your vertical video, and then it's going to try to default to vertical, but you're going to change it to a horizontal video. Now it's going to cut off the top and the bottom of the video, but you're going to pinch it down to the middle until you see the red lines that tells you that it's all centered. Yeah, I think that looks good and centered. And now I'm going to go to the bottom of the app and go to the home menu and find Canvas. Once you select Canvas, you'll see the background option. Click on that and then click on blur. And that's it. You're done. Now my vertical video has been converted to a horizontal video, and no matter where you upload it, that platform is going to only recognize it as a horizontal video. So basically you tricked all the platforms into thinking it's horizontal. You no longer have the black background on the sides, and it's just going to look so much more pleasant to the viewer's eye. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a like. That always helps. And if you like to see videos like this, also hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.